Okay, so what we got here is the welding rods that are actually plastic. And you may notice there's different colors in there. We just so happen to be using green today because green is the plastic that we experimented with and that we got best contact with. So these are different types of plastics, and if you're not sure which plastic you got, just experiment with the material you got so you can get it correct. And in this case, with this particular washing machine, it's going to be green that we're using. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight, or you can order them online. It's good to have a pack, and of course, soldering iron. This is just a regular soldering iron, in this case from Radio Shack. So what we got over here is that plastic that we were talking. This plastic has just been welded together with, been put together with model airplane glue, just to hold it together so I can work on it. It wouldn't last that long if we were going to leave it like this. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to melt a little ridge between the two connections. Doesn't have to be too perfect, just strong. And then we take our plastic and we get to, it's almost like soldering, really. What we're trying to do is we're trying to melt that plastic into that ridge. You just want to take your time with this. There's no rush. Just try not to melt the actual plastic piece that you're welding together too much. You don't want to deform it. There's nothing wrong with putting another layer on it if you want. It depends on how much you want to reinforce it. And if this is your first time doing it, what I'd recommend is just taking some scrap plastic and practicing with it to get good at it before you try repairing the item you want to repair. We're going to make another ridge. Not too big one, just a little one right there. I forgot to mention